Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will show you that HP 11th generation laptop does not show hard drive while installing Windows. So let's start the video. As you can see, hard drive is not showing here. To solve this problem, you need to download a software. I will give the link description. Download the software on another computer and then copy it to the Windows pen drive. Now go to the installation setup again. After that, click on Load Drive. Find the software by click on the browser. Select software and click Next. After waiting a few seconds, you can see the hard drive showing. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.